What is religion? The word religion comes from the Latin root religia, which means come back to the source of life. Take mind and body to the source. Just bring back your mind to the source. You have to go back to the source of life. That is religion. But what is happening now in present civilization, in modern civilization? What is happening that is very miserable? Today's religion is totally distorted, full of rituals, dogmas. The religion has become the body, and the body where there is no spirit. Religion now has become a body without a spirit. That's why the followers of religion doesn't find peace. They are not satisfied from the deeper inside. Today's religion, modern days religion, teaches us division, fragmentation, boundary. Our religion is totally distorted, totally senseless, a body without a spirit. The basic and fundamental objective of the religion is to upgrade, uplift the level of consciousness from where the followers of religion find fulfillment, stability, peace. But our religion is totally failure. Only rituals, dogmas, philosophy. Ritual, dogmas, philosophies are not necessary. Yes, I do agree. To some extent, rituals, philosophies are required. But the fundamental core value of religion is the upgradation of human consciousness from the primitive animal consciousness to higher level of consciousness. But today's religion has not done its duty. In our Sat technology, what we do, we just only focus on the upgradation of human consciousness, and uplifting the human consciousness, you can bring peace, fraternity, unity in this globe. Peace is not possible without the proper upliftment of consciousness. That's why now in the present world there are more than 3,500 religions, and in spite of all that religion, existence of all that religion, there are war, disintegration. Why? Because religion is totally failure. We are doing for the upgradation of human consciousness. From every angle, we are doing our work for the upgradation of human consciousness, and Sat technology is meant for that. With the help of Sat technology, anybody can upgrade his consciousness, and with the upgradation of individual consciousness, we can uplift the consciousness of the society, consciousness of the nation, consciousness of the globe. Religion and Sat technology should go hand in hand. These two Such technology and religion are complementary to each other. One cannot exist properly without the other. Now, the human being should understand this truth. So I do appeal to the followers of all the religion to learn such technology and upgrade your consciousness to a higher dimension from where you can see the truth, from where you can bring integration, harmony, peace, stability in your personal, professional, social, national and global life. Such technology is not a philosophy, not a religion, not an organization. Such technology is a movement for enhancement of human consciousness. Thank you.